Good morning, friends. I'm Teddy Hicks, and I'm reading you an affirmation from my book, My Life Gets Better Every Day. Today's September 24th, 2025, and today's affirmation is, I am comfortable in my body. So maybe you're not yet. Maybe you're used to criticizing and trying to control yourself. Maybe you're in the habit of ignoring your body's signals. But what if you could take a deep breath and just ask your body what it needs? Is it asking for a little more rest, or a little more food, more water, or some comfort today? You're allowed to take it easy and nourish yourself completely. And you might even find that it feels so good to treat yourself with kindness, comfort becomes a big priority. Love, Teddy. So this one kind of speaks for itself, right? I think we spend a lot of time trying to control our bodies, trying to change our bodies, trying to beat our bodies into submission. And it's normal, it's natural to feel that way because we're hearing it everywhere in this culture. Doctors tell us to do it, the TV, everywhere you turn, you're hearing these messages that it is not okay to just take care of yourself. You always should be trying to do something, trying to change something about yourself. And it's a little life-changing. It's a big shift from trying to change yourself to just trying to take care of yourself. And it might seem subtle on the surface, but when you really do that, what you're doing is shifting from a place of self-criticism and kind of self-loathing probably to a place of, self-respect and self-acceptance, so that you can just take what you've got, no matter what it looks like, accept yourself, and do all the things that you need to do to feel your best in the body that you have right now. And that's pretty significant. That's a big transformation, right? To go from trying to, when you have like change as the barometer of success, which it usually is weight loss for a lot of people, and you don't achieve that goal, then you give up on all of the other things you could be doing to improve your health or feel better or be more comfortable. You just kind of think, well, if I can't lose weight, what's the point of doing anything? And you might find yourself swinging back and forth on that pendulum, like this super restrictive, trying to control yourself mentality, giving up on that and going back to this like do whatever, not care about anything mentality. And I've lived in that place for a long time, and I know a lot of people who have. So it's so nice to just come back to kind of the middle of that pendulum swing and think, okay, I don't need to do this thing. I don't need to lose weight in order to take care of myself, in order to feel my best. Weight loss might even be a side effect of some changes that you make, but if that's not the primary goal, then you can focus on the things that actually are important. And if it's health-related stuff, I have to tell you that weight loss is not an indicator of health improvement ever. So, it may be a side effect or a byproduct of the things that you're doing in order to improve your health, but losing weight in and of itself does not improve your health. So it's so helpful to take your focus off of that and go back to the things that do actually improve your health, like, exercise, eating more fiber, drinking more water, getting more rest, controlling your stress. All of those kinds of things actually do improve your health. So I hope that's helpful for you today. Remember that it's safe for you to just be comfortable in your body and to focus on what you need to do to make yourself feel good rather than try to change the way you look. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.